how closely linked is the caste issue with sanitation and open defecation in India?
Yeah.
Given the fact that, we will not clean our toilets, right? It's someone else's job, and someone else is another caste.
Look, it's a good question, and I have to tell you very frankly, this attitude you're talking about is actually changing because of Swachh Bharat. It's had, so the sort of, to use the term a lot of economists will use, a lot of positive externalities about this program. The ripple effects. So one of them is this whole issue of caste. In many ways, the community comes together. So this is a community-driven program. So when the triggering takes place, everyone in that community is there. And when they understand why is it important, they start doing it themselves. So when you said people will not clean their toilet, they're doing it now. So in the Swachh Bharat mission, particularly when we are promoting the twin pit toilet, the household can clean their toilet themselves, they can empty their pit themselves. And we've tried to demonstrate that ourselves. So we took a bunch of principal secretaries to Hyderabad. I took them all to Warangal, to a village. And we there demonstrated that when a pit is closed for a while, and the second pit is in operation, you can actually take out the compost with your hand. That helps to break the stigma and the taboo. So we went
I believe you do it yourself to demonstrate to them.
Yeah, so we did that. So last year, I did it myself, together with the officers. We recently took the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. So we took Mr. Rajiv Maharishi, he loved it. We went into a pit in Pune.
Right.
He lifted out the compost himself. There are a couple of cockroaches there, but he didn't flinch.